This video is for educational purposes only. Today we are going to sample Funky Strut. I'm also going to show you the bass tabs. Here's how it sounds. Now here's the real bass. First and foremost, I'd like to thank Retro Groovy Vibes, and to hear the original song, check out Retro Groovy Vibes, which I link below, and they also have 3 other channels which you should check out. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Peace.